Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be building the Xbox gaming stand. I may just call this the regular gaming stand if I find out it works for PlayStation controllers. Currently, I only have an Xbox, so I can only test it with this, and I built it perfectly to work with the 360 controllers and the Xbox One controllers. I'm going to show you that in just a moment, but I wanted to show you a quick assembly video here. And just a heads up, I did have a hand injury like 2 months ago, so that's why you see this little brace on my hand. It's almost completely better now. So just a heads up on that. So let's go ahead and get started. What you want to do is you want to build the actual stand first. So you use these little acrylic tabs here, and you put it into one side, and I already pre-assembled this because it's pretty easy. You just lay it flat, hammer in those acrylic on all 5 areas, and then you lay your next piece flat on the table like this, and then you flip this over, line them all up, hammer them straight down, and you've built the actual stand itself. So now the tricky part is you gotta know which way the stand goes onto the base. So at first glance you would think it's this way since it's heavy this way, but it's not, because your headset would just be hanging off in oblivion here. You want the stand to go this way with more of the base here, so when your headphones hang, they hang right over that base. So what you want to do is you want to line this up and kind of just put it right in place like that, so it's nice and snug, and these are tight fit. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this area up here, hopefully you're catching that on camera, and then this area down here. So let me see if I can angle that a little bit better. So you're going to want to hit here and here on all 4 points until it gets flush with the table. So we're going to do that now. It's not going to take much for the 1/8 inch. So as you can see here, it's nice and flush. And then at this point, what you want to do is you want to try and take your hands and you can kind of push this through like this. Just like that, and you can do it on all the sides. And you can push it all the way until it's flat if you want to, or if you're having a hard time pushing it with your hands, you can just take your hammer and kind of lightly tap this until you get at least a little bit of this to poke through. You don't even need it to be much. All you need to do is get that to poke through, so you can then line this up on your base just like this. So now you can grab your acrylic base, the green glass acrylic base here, line those tabs up just like that, and then you can hammer those 4 points down just like you did before. And there you go, just hammer it until it's flat. I got a little bit to go still. You can see there's a little bit of a gap there. I'm going to hammer that down here really quick. And there you go, that's it. You got the whole thing built, and now you can just set your Xbox controllers on there. Here's the 360 controller, and here is the Xbox One controller, and then here is your headset. Let me make sure all that is in frame. Hopefully you can see that. And let me tilt this a little bit here so you can hopefully see that a little bit better. I know you're on the top view, but right there is the Xbox side. And then let me turn it over and show you the headset side here. And then right there is your headset side. So that is it. That is your entire Xbox gaming stand there. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.